Doors hit with the car. Roller out. Still has tension on this side. Can't see the cable, but jammed up pretty good. This cable's all loose. It's all time to get it back down. Got it leveled back out. Slowly pop back in. Holding it with the vice grip so don't try to shoot up. Slowly put back in. You got this holding up so don't fall down. Time to get this cable back on. Got it leveled back out, cable's on. Pull her down. Yeah, she's bent. Time to reset the cables. Back on the spring. The spring back winded. Now the door's all the way dropped. Tension's being held right here. I just gotta reset the cables. See, since the tension's on there now, all the cables are loose. It's loose.